welcome to my channel Ammu Art Circle. Today we are going to learn the steps of coloring and the correct way of coloring. So for this we need eraser, pencil, sketch pen, A4 size paper and 50 shades of oil pastels. So here I am going to start with the drawings. Now we'll make a sketch pen border. Please erase all your excess pencil mark. So before start coloring, we'll have some small practice where I'll show you the technique, the direction of coloring. So here I'm taking the red color. Start with the slipping technique. So slipping technique, it starts from left to right. So do not lift your colors in between. So you have to just do it in a one go like this. And always take a baby steps. This is a wrong technique of coloring, so please don't do this. Okay, so you have to just take a baby steps so that you will not see any white spots in background. The next technique is standing technique. So always go from top to bottom like this. Again same, here you have to take a baby steps. Make sure there is no white spots left in background. If you see, please cover all your white spot. Next technique is slanting technique. You have to just go diagonal. And last technique is scribbling, that is circle technique. So here you have to just take a small baby circles. With the use of this technique, you can just fill your colors. So I think this is the best and favorite technique of all kids. So here we are done with our 4 techniques. Now we will start with the main coloring. Always remember, before start your main coloring, please do a border. Make a border, make an outline of your respected colors so that your color will not go out. You have to be very careful and very slow. So here I have done my border area. Now we'll fill inside. Here you can use any technique like slipping, standing, slanting or scribbling. पर एक ही एलिमेंट में आप 2 से 3 टेक्निक नहीं यूज कर सकते. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट विथ स्लिपिंग टेक्निक. सो हियर अगेन, एज आई सेड, वी हैव टू टेक अ स्मॉल बेबी स्टेप्स टू fill the colors. Here I have a practice of many years, so I'm going too fast, but for kids they have to be very slow while coloring. They have to keep patience. you will see some dust here, color dust, that you have to blow. Please don't spread with your hand or it will spoil your paper. To make a border, you can use slipping technique or standing technique, but to fill colors you have to just take only one technique. Now I have done my main coloring, so now we'll move to next color, that is brown, and we'll give this brown to the stem. So again we will do first border. We'll make a nice border slowly, and here we'll use a standing technique. We'll use all different techniques in this apple. Okay, we'll take light green color. So again we'll make a border, and yes, very important point, before start your coloring, please wipe all your colors with your rough cloth. For the leaf, now I'm going to use a slanting technique. For left leaf we'll use slanting technique, and for the right we'll use scribbling. I'm not going to mix two techniques in one element. Okay, so here now I'll use scribbling. Make sure no white spot left out. Please cover all your white spots with your respected colors. Only one area is left, that is focus point, so that will color with a gray. So we are done coloring of apple using all 4 techniques. If you like my video, please press bell icon, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.